In this video, I'm going to show you 7 magazines that graphic designers should subscribe to. Roll the intro. Graphic designers tend to look for inspiration from the world around them. It seems there is always a new trend or technique emerging. One way to stay up to date on these rapid changes is by subscribing to magazines that will teach and inspire. Although there are many options online for graphic designers, there's something about a print design that lends itself to unique interviews and examples you won't find anywhere else. Some of the magazines that designers will want to subscribe to are not specifically design related, but can still take your career to the next level. However, there are also many magazines geared specifically toward graphic artists that focus on the arts. Here are 7 print magazines that graphic designers should subscribe to. They will help you learn from the best in the field. The first magazine we're going to take a look at is Graphic Design USA. Graphic Design USA has been in publication since 1963. It is an every other month publication and covers everything from news to trends. Readers include both individuals and firms, in addition to the material offered in their magazine. They provide contests for graphic designers to help professionals gain exposure and grow their following. New issues go out every other month, but on the off months, subscribers receive 2 Design e-newsletters. The information in these magazines is geared more toward professional design firms, but it also offers plenty of insight and creative inspiration for those not working professionally as designers, like part-time freelancers and students. The second magazine we're going to take a look at is Artists Magazine. Artists Magazine is a spin-off of the magazine Print, which was aimed directly at graphic artists. This particular magazine offers insider advice for all types of artists. Within the pages of the magazine, you might find a specific artist's approach to drawing, tutorials on a number of techniques, along with art career advice. The magazine targets all skill levels and supports the National Art Education Foundation by donating money every time someone subscribes to the print magazine. The parent company of the magazine, Arts Network, offers information for artists from the beginner to the very advanced. They have a mission to empower artists with information and inspiration. The third magazine that we're going to take a look at is How. How is a magazine geared specifically toward graphic designers. It was founded in 1985 and features an array of articles on running a graphic design business, new technology, creative projects, and profiles for professionals who are on the cutting edge of design work. The magazine is available in print, PDF, and digital formats for Kindle, Nook, iTunes, and Google Play. Although the magazine is going to suspend publication soon, issues are still available and coming out. They also offer many articles on their website for free and have several other publications from which to choose. Most past issues are available for download or purchase on their website. The fourth magazine we're going to take a look at is Communication Arts. Communication Arts magazine delves into in-depth design features such as typography, setup as a trade journal for those working in graphic design. They cover nearly every topic in any field a graphic artist might work in, such as advertising, photography, and interactive design. The magazine has been in publication since 1959 at no charge. The company also offers a newsletter filled with daily tips and advice. The magazine is published 6 times a year and offers annual and semi-annual subscriptions, 6 issues and 12 issues respectively. The 5th magazine that we're going to take a look at is Design Edge Canada. Design Edge Canada is a professional graphic design publication that started in 2006. The magazine covers in-depth case studies and shares news and tips for using various design tools. Design Edge has received the Trade Magazine of the Year award from the Canadian Society of Magazine Editors for 4 years running. Subscribers to this magazine include graphic designers as well as brands seeking graphic designers and ideas for how to implement new trends into their company's marketing. Some articles are offered free online. But to gain all the detailed insight, designers must subscribe. The site also has an area for job listings for those in the graphic design field. The 6th magazine, and second to last, that we're going to take a look at is Computer Arts. Computer Arts covers a wide variety of topics related to computer-generated graphics. This magazine features interviews with some of today's top designers, helping you learn from the best in the industry. Bold images and an artisty layout complete this magazine's appeal to anyone with an artistic eye. The focus of this magazine is definitely on designing on your computer, although you will find a few additional topics hidden within its pages. The 7th and last magazine we're going to take a look at is I. I magazine is a global review of graphic arts that is published quarterly. Because it is only printed quarterly, volumes contain a lot of visual culture, information, and beautiful displays of what other artists are doing. They describe their magazine as one of the most beautiful in the world, pointing out that artists collect I as a visual reference to refer back to. There are many other magazines out there for graphic designers to reference to. These are just 7 good ones that you should subscribe to. But there are other magazines, including some about 3D art, technological aspects of design, and web design mags. In an ever-changing publishing industry, magazines also go through changes frequently. Sometimes going to an all-digital format or redesigning entirely. Subscribe to the ones that work for you as a designer. But be open to seeking out new publications as you grow in your career. And that's the 7 magazines that graphic designers should subscribe to help teach and inspire you. If you got value from this video, then consider subscribing. Keep on dreaming, and we'll see you next time. Bye.